Ever wondered how people are making money online starting from scratch? I joined a fantastic course, and here's why it's a game changer. 1. It's packed with 46 step-by-step lessons, and you get lifetime access, so you can learn digital marketing at your own pace. 2. Here's the crazy part, it comes with Master Resell Rights. That means I can resell and keep all of the profit. 3. And you're never on your own. There's an active community and direct support to help you every step of the way. So, if you've been thinking about starting an online business or want a side hustle that actually works, this is a course worth checking out. Follow Stewart. Message me info or check the link in my bio to learn more.